Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the AMD driver timeout. First, go to the search bar on the desktop of your PC. Now type Device Manager and click to open the app. Here, click the Display Adapter option. Double-click NVIDIA GeForce GTX 950 and it'll show you the current device status. Next, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Once updated, open the Registry Editor folder. In the left panel, select HKey_local_machine and click System. From System, select Current Control Set and then click Control. Then scroll down to Find and go to Graphic Driver. After that, right-click on the right side and go to New. In the menu, choose the D-word 22-bit value. Following that, type a name for it such as TDR delay. Right-click on it and select Modify. Next, add the value data to 10 and click OK. Lastly, restart your PC to resolve all the issues. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.